Good morning, everybody. We're going to do another beginning of the day, first stop. See what we got to go through, see what's on the truck. I got 5 stops today. Looks like there's nothing on the truck, but that's the way it goes. Sometimes we're slow. Well, let's get on out of the truck and get started. It's 5:59 here in Oneonta, New York. Let's head out. Well, it's 33 degrees out here. Not too bad today. Let's get some gloves. And we'll get started doing what we do. So, you can see there's not too much on the truck. We only have a stack in the front here. There's a little bit of PVC in the back. The only problem with the winter time is the tarp is like plastic. This stuff on the back is for another customer. We have another customer actually right across the street from here. That's my next stop. But we'll start taking everything off here. Hey, here we are on the other side. Sponge cord off. Anyway, all right, let's go to the other side, pull this tarp off and see where their stuff is. Tie these bungee cords up onto the truck. Get these chains up off the ground, out of the way, so we can pull this tarp and fold it up. All right. It's a lot easier when the ground's not icy. And the tarp isn't like crinkly piece of plastic, but you gotta wait for it to get warm for that. Pick up the tarp. It's 80, 100 pounds, something like that. Toss it on the truck, strap it down. It's not raining or snowing, so I shouldn't need it again today. Hey. There, we can turn our focus back to over here. No, I've never been hit by one of my own chains. Oh, yes I have. But not pulling it from this load. A snow-covered load that was 13 foot high. Pulled the chain, the wind took it. It actually chased me and hit me. It's 10-foot bundle, so it requires 2 straps. Sometimes 3 just to be safe. Going on strap at the beginning, strap at the end, strap at the beginning, strap at the end. Well, let's head up on top and we'll see what's theirs. I'm pretty sure I know what's theirs, but... And once again, we'll do that. We use tires to get out. You see? That's what's on the truck here. Copper and black pipe. This over here is an electric customer. So he gets these 2 bundles on the very edge. That's his. My next customer is right behind that building over there across the street. So, I had to park over there by that dumpster. So we'll go back down, get it parked, and get ready. This guy should be coming in 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Well, that's about it. This guy get in another, 10, 15 minutes. So, climb up in the truck, move it back over there to where they unload it, and we'll be all set. Here's another day in the morning of a trucker. Flatbedder. It's different. Now you guys have a good day. That's it. Sit and listen to the radio. The weather. So, we're at this customer. It's Red in Binghamton, our last stop. So, let's see how this goes. Last stop, then we're done. Go home. Come on, I'll take you with me. Down here. Now there's one more bundle to take care of. Sorry about that. All right. And this is the last stop of the day. So we'll slide that over so our customer can get to it. All right. I think so. Your blades are long enough. All right, my friend.
Hey, you have a good day.
Thank you, sir. You too. All right. Jump down, loosen that strap, tie those up. Yeah, we gotta make the truck look neat. This is just me. Needs to look uniform. Do this in the hopes that if there's any way stations or anything open, you know, we kind of hope that UT pulls over the messy looking trucks. Unless of course they're tired of getting dirty and they want to pull over a truck that looks good. Then I guess on up the creek. Kind of brings the wood there. Make sure these things don't dangle. That's DOT. Just hanging all over, you never know what can get caught. There we go. All right. So, get some wood. Got to strap this down, but there's a shorter piece. So we'll put the short piece out here. down on the tire. Don't feel like falling today, so. Yeah. I'll walk through. Everything's pinned. The wood tarp strapped down. Well, that's about it. Thanks for coming along on the road with me. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, leave us a comment below, just to let us know what's on your mind. Also, leave us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell. This way you get notified every time WGFU 200 makes another video. Well, I gotta blow out of here. I got a long ride. So like always, be safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the road.